Bullet go in a skin and no anesthetic. East side with the chopper and never machete. Plus me tell you no me ever shop like a sheriff. Tear, east side no apologetic.
Yeah.
People dead when me HK by my gully.
What?
And no close that jigger me pressing. Do me one step in, them a follow virgin. Me clap it anywhere me see and them my gun selecting. Bullet sending is not a message. Me clone remin.
Nah, before I get too hot, dog. Bumbo clean. A Skillibeng this, dog. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, people, and I am back with another reaction video for you all. If it's the first time here, please subscribe and comment on the video. Say subscribe. Remember, no, just comment anything and you see a name over there, so in the next video. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, people. But first, let us reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of March. You understand? Now you already type. We have Skillibeng, Freestyle, Big Yard, 1Xtra. See me I say, na Jamaica, so BBC, 1Xtra, Shawnee B. You know me I say, so people say, yo, if you react to the freestyle I'm doing night. So that's how I recommend it right now and see what I go on feed. So people just subscribe to the channel and make a lot of little vibes now. Sorry, but we do the family reactions, people. I did the family reaction to Protector. He got blocked worldwide. Yeah, I know, so that's most reactions videos anyway you take it. You understand me? That's how we pause things and we talk over it, because if you don't really do it or react it the right way, you see me I say use people the music, it'll get taken down. Sorry for the family fans them, but they didn't do it though. You know, see me ever on time with the reactions them. So if you see me don't post something, I just block it, get black. I just YouTube take it down and I mean I do it. Come ever do them. But anyway, we can see what I go on for Skillibeng freestyle and a brick. Brick pan brick. Me the direct to brick pan brick video, you can go check it out for yourself. Link I got it up here, so. Now the annotations. Over here sit I got it. Run through. Video contains strong languages and adult theme. Okay, kids?
1Xtra.
This is your boy Shawnee B, BBC Radio 1Xtra, Kingston, Jamaica, 2020. 1Xtra on the ground, 1Xtra on the street. I have to go to a place called Grants Pen to go and find him. Skillibeng, the hottest artist right now in the streets of Jamaica.
Yo, Shawnee B.
I know that song there, so I got to I got to which part him that do the freestyle. See myself, you know, so when them do them thing, them sing them song for us and thing, them hit song.
Young move like when you shoot guns. Shawnee B gone fast at the union.
Alright. We are trying to find the freestyle. Somebody tell me which part today I make, no remember now. Thanks to everybody who send me the link them to the thing them for react to that. Thanks to the whole lot who send me everything that and say, yo, Tyrekevlogs react to this. Yo, this at now. I rate it, I love it when I do that. I don't even know. What go on here, so brother? Jano.
Again.
I will say east side.
50 bucks. Boom! We also rate them some areas in the dog.
Yo, Shawnee B. On see 17.
I just have react to song bad now. We know song bad enough. And that one here though. What go on the phone, dog? Bumbuckle belt, dog. Come on, dog. Cha! It's Christ, man. Should I find it before I start do the video? No, I like to watch things for the first time when I do the video, dog. That's why I go through them struggle. I like to do things for the first time. Bumbuckle belt, man. But I just want to have a full first time reactions to it. If I understand, say if I don't do something, if I don't want something for the first time reaction, I go fade, dog. That's why I'm going to really do them things, yeah, dog. Watch the video and then I come react to it after. No. Ready now.
Yo, Shawnee B. When we have a lighter grabber, hold on. I can explain the next thing to
Alright.
I smoke 24/7. Shawnee B. Anyway you see me, I'm smoking my weed off a bill with the grabber with the vote.
Alright, now we know that, dog.
Fatter than two when it.
Want to hear the freestyle, dog. Alright, people, so I guess I find the Bumbuckle belt freestyle finally. Yo, like the reason being, I'm gonna put it out there. The reason being, dog. Reason being why I don't really like, or I didn't know where it was, because I like watching videos. Anything I'm reacting to, I like watching it for the first time to get a first time reactions to it. You understand? I'm sorry for all of that, but ready now, run through. Look, so I'm a day with it now. Run it.
You teach me almost everything I know. I don't know. We know it's with lyrics.
Yeah.
Big up Shani B, no boy can violate you.
Yeah.
Yo, Shani B. Them gonna big, clap it, make it breeze and a red color graphics. Be a blood a leak, Morocco a foreign.
Yeah.
I don't know what's a stinky, mess up a forehead.
Yeah.
This Shani B, somebody a perish.
Yeah.
Bullet go in a skin and no anesthetic. He side with the chopper and never machete. Plus me tell you no me ever strap like a sheriff. Tear, he side no apologetic.
Yeah.
People dead when me HK bomb a gully.
What?
And no close that got me pressing. Do me one step in, them a follow virgin. Me clap it anywhere me see and them my gun selecting. Bullet sending is not a message. Me gun remin.
Nah, before I get too hot, dog. Bumbo clean. Ask Skillibeng this, dog. Yo, I don't like the video for reaction of bad. But not even the reaction of 1Xtra Freestyle. Me all the time about reaction. Yo. Ask Skillibeng this. You sure this is a freestyle or is a song when the man that I put on from us last year, dog? Bumbo click and go through and swim, I say.
Stick him never sell him, but the chopper with Chris. National who them when they gonna kick. Wanna stand up and see a fit, no bust a hat trick. Wanna miss, clap it, wrist for ya, vanish. Hold on, level. Shani B, with the JA. I'm gonna tell them how we do things.
Alright.
We not take violation. I wanna two brag and boast about it.
Yeah.
Make me explain, Shani B. Call my brain cockatoo. Me bust gun will leap. Flip up so them see if I real. Make like a brace for my jeans.
Hold on, I'm gonna read up hold on.
Call my brain cockatoo.
Yeah.
Me bust gun will leap. Flip up so them see if I real. Make like a brace for my jeans. Me and no police and me ever have a peace. Tear shed when me SLR wave placement straight. Tear face tear wet me M pavement. CVM CNN statement clear. Yo Shani B. Hold on. Me clout, me chopper and it go bluff bluff. Ready Cuba, ready Mula, ready. Me tell him look ya, with it. Freddy Cougar then me rev him. Make him head residual. Dead with your chat. Me love gun till it look bad. My head too hot. Musty flames and my pooper. You can't this. Well on, me shut up them ears if them do that. Well on, no? Shani B.
Yo!
Go on again, one more time. One more time, my boss.
You say? Yo, BBC 1Xtra. I'm at Sydney or Shani B. Big up the whole England.
Run through.
See me I say? East side there. And a straight XYZ. See me I say? Big up vibes.
Instrumental a bad dog.
Lyrics to go. It's sick, it's me be lyrics for kill. If you think me kidding me, I kill him since you rhythm big and flow wicked. This isn't gimmicks, no saliva spitting, kill me killing. Tail off a rhythm stitching and the rhythm skinny when me finish with it. It's dribbling, call it museum, I see the image. That's a solid initiative. Be a lyrics, brain Gigi like me tickle shit. When them listen physics. Well on, no liquidity. Me build for this, me have the system for the city. I skill it wicked. We flow chicky brain for the lyrics. We smoke with the Guinness. Well on, C4 Trinityville, me no see the limit. Invincibility, me no see who is fit. Diminish my discipline him with the clip with 50. Them no semi-rigid. Me rhyme with the ears have too busy. $1 million style, that's white good for business.
Yeah.
This isn't frisbee lyrics when me flinging spin it this fee. Be a gal a jigger frisky, something get wet up when she listen me sing. Gal a say them softer than the thing we build the biscuit. One style alone, them have me kill them with delivery. Replay, believe it or not, I'm he's the king. Shani B is there.
Oh!
Bless up yourself, Skillibeng every
Bang!
time.
Bumbo clean, dog.
Is there? Running Shani B. Big up BBC.
Pick up yourself, dog. Yo, it's Skillibeng bad one more time, dog. You know more. Well, me need to already. I know. I'm not gonna say no more. See, but you know more. See, dog. The man give me a Gauge vibe a while ago, dog. You know Gauge lyrical, dog. You have to admit it, dog. Admit it, dog. You have to go search up and see if Gauge actually do one, dog. But Bumbo class Skillibeng, do it, youth. You're bad, people. Subscribe to Tyrekejt to subscribe. It's been a boy Tyrekejt the reaction boss. I'm out of here. If a music video post today, we know somebody drop it right on time. Big up on the Bumbo self.